What's up, Tech Fam? Another day, another diagnostic breakdown. Today we've got an Infinix Hot 60i with a no power issue. The customer said the phone suddenly died while being used. When you encounter cases like this, don't immediately assume the motherboard or battery is defective. We'll use a scientific approach with the help of our USB current analyzer, also known as a USB tester. We connected the phone using a Type-C cable to monitor its current draw. As you can see on the display, the reading stays around 0.3 ampere only. For beginners in repair like me, here's a quick tip. A normal charging current on modern phones, when the board and charging line are healthy, should usually be around 1 to 2 amperes. When the reading stays below 1 ampere, like this 0.3 ampere reading, it usually means an abnormal charging state. The battery could simply be drained, or there may be a power leak inside the system. To confirm, I used a battery activation tool off camera to make sure the battery had enough charge. Since the battery was fine, but the reading stayed at 0.3 ampere, there's a high chance of a short circuit inside the main board. Now that we have initial findings, we can proceed with the disassembly. The back cover was already removed since this phone came from another technician, so we'll go straight to removing the screws and middle frame. And just like our golden rule, always disconnect the battery flex first to avoid accidental short circuits while working. At first glance during the inspection, I immediately noticed something unusual near the rear camera circuit. There was visible white corrosion forming on the board. I removed the main board from the housing for a closer inspection and cleaned it using our liquid cleaning solution. After removing the dirt and corrosion, the real culprit appeared, an SMD capacitor that wasn't just dirty, it was already burnt and physically damaged. A capacitor acts as a filter and power storage component on the board. When liquid enters the phone, the positive and negative terminals can short together, causing a short to ground. Instead of power flowing properly to boot the device, the power line crashes, resulting in a no power issue. Since the capacitor was already burnt and damaged, I no longer needed to use a hot air station to avoid adding thermal stress to the board. Using only the tip of my tweezer, I carefully removed the defective component to eliminate the short circuit. Now that the damaged component is removed, we place the main board back into the housing for a quick validation test. We connected it again to the USB tester, and boom! As you can see on the display, the reading jumped to 1.3 amperes. That's a strong sign that the power flow is now normal and the charging circuit is alive again. We press the power button, and there it is, the Infinix Hot 60i is alive again. From a complete no power issue, the phone is now fully operational. Always remember, Tech Fam, in every repair, proper diagnostics with a tester should come first before disassembling anything. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, comment your experiences, and follow for more smart tech tips. Safe repair always.